Have you ever dreamed of starting your own clothing business but felt overwhelmed by where to begin? I totally get it. The fear of not knowing the steps or feeling like it's too expensive can hold anyone back. But here's the good news. Starting a clothing business in 2025 has never been easier. With platforms like Dear Lover, you have everything you need to start small, scale up, and turn your dream into reality. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom, a student, or just someone passionate about fashion, this video is your ultimate guide to launching a successful clothing business. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join this amazing community for future entrepreneurs. Also, follow me on Instagram, where I share behind-the-scenes moments and daily tips to inspire your journey. The first step to success is identifying your niche and audience. Think of this as the foundation of your business. Are you drawn to a modest fashion, casual streetwear, or eco-friendly clothing? Your niche should align with your personal interest and market trends. Market research is your best friend here. Spend time understanding what your target customers want, their style preferences, price range, and even the platform they shop on. This way, you can curate a collection that's both personal and profitable. When I started, I realized my passion was modest yet chic clothing, something stylish and empowering but affordable. This focus helped me connect deeply with an audience that shared those values. Now that you have found your niche, it's time to build your brand. And let me tell you, this step is so much fun. Your brand is more than just a name or a logo. It's a story you tell your customers and the connection they feel with your business. Start by choosing a name that resonates with your niche. Then create a logo and pick a color palette that matches your vibe. Tools like Canva are amazing for this, even if you're not a designer. But branding goes deeper than visuals. Think about your brand values. What do you stand for? For me, I wanted my customers to feel empowered and stylish without spending a fortune. Every decision from my logo to my Instagram captions reflected that mission. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram yet, you're missing out. I share daily tips and behind the scenes content to help you build a brand that truly stands out. Once you know your niche, finding the right supplier is key. I can't stress this enough. A reliable supplier like Dear Lover can make or break your business. Here are a few must-know tips when buying wholesale clothing. Number 1. Build relationships with reliable suppliers. Look for suppliers with a strong reputation for quality and ethical practices. Communicate openly to build trust. It's a game changer when resolving issues, understanding pricing and minimum order quantities. Dear Lover offers flexibility for small businesses, making it easier to stay within budget. Check for quality and return policy. Always request samples before committing to a large order. Dear Lover's quality impressed me from the first order, and their clear return policy gave me peace of mind. Now let's talk about exciting part, unboxing the PR package that Dear Lover sent me. Here's what I received. This is honestly one of my favorite things about working with brands because you get to see the quality firsthand. The quality is impressive. Soft fabrics, precise stitching, and no loose threads. It's exactly what you would want to offer your customers if you are building a brand that prioritizes quality and style. Styling these pieces was so much fun. What I love most about Dear Lover is how their clothes are both trendy and affordable, ideal for small businesses looking to offer high quality products. Now let's talk about how to place your first order. Dear Lover's website is super user-friendly. Simple, create an account, browse their categories, and add items to your cart. Once you have selected your items, apply the exclusive coupon code I have included in the description below to get a discount. And if you're not just starting, you can also explore their drop shipping options to minimize risk and save on inventory costs. If you're ready to start building your inventory, check out Dear Lover's website using the link below. Trust me, it's worth exploring. Step 4. Market your business like a pro. Let's talk about marketing, because even the best products won't sell if no one knows about them. In 2025, social media is your most powerful tool for reaching your audience. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are perfect for showcasing your products and building a loyal community. Start by posting consistently. Share behind-the-scenes content, styling tips, and even customer testimonials. And don't hesitate to jump on trends. They are a great way to increase visibility and attract new customers. Collaborating with influencers in your niche is another game-changing strategy. Even micro-influencers can have a huge impact on your sales if their audience aligns with your brand. When I started marketing my brand, I found that sharing my personal journey made a big difference. People love authenticity, and showing them the story behind your business can create a real connection. Step 5. Build your inventory and test the market. Building your inventory can feel daunting, but here's the trick. Start small and test the market. Order a variety of items in smaller quantities to see what sells best. This approach reduces the risk of overstocking and helps you refine your collection based on customer feedback. With Dear Lover's low minimum order quantities and drop shipping options, you can easily test demand without worrying about storage or upfront costs. Step 6. Launch and scale. Once your brand is ready and you have tested your inventory, it's time to launch. Create buzz on social media, offer exclusive launch discount, and engage with your audience. Scaling your business becomes natural when you listen to your customers, adopt your offerings, and stay consistent with your marketing efforts. Remember, success takes time, but with persistence, you will see growth. Here's a quick recap of what we covered in today's video. 6 simple yet crucial steps to start your clothing business in 2025. These steps will set you up for success, whether you are a beginner or looking to scale. Let's summarize them one by one. First, find a reliable supplier like Dear Lover, where you can access trendy, high-quality clothing without breaking the bank. Next, build your brand by creating a unique identity. Choose a name, design a logo, and define your values to connect with your audience. Once that's ready, set up your online store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy, or even through social media shops for a quick launch. Don't forget to market your business like a pro. Use Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to share styling tips, behind-the-scenes content, and collaboration with influencers. Start small by testing demand with smaller orders. Then redefine and scale based on what your customers love. Finally, focus on quality and customer service to build loyalty and trust. These steps will help you launch and grow a successful clothing business in 2025. Starting a clothing business in 2025 might seem overwhelming at first, but with the right steps and a trusted partner like Dear Lover, it's absolutely achievable. From building your brand to marketing like a pro, every step brings you closer to your dream. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community of entrepreneurs. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily inspiration and tips to help you on your journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see your clothing businesses come to life. Thank you. Bye.